Go ahead. I'm not fucking dealing with this.
Hey.
It's on the floor upstairs. What?
Let's just talk first. Hey.
I have nothing to fucking say. Go get the fucking gun. How about you do that? It's his.
It's your dog.
He's fine.
Okay.
He's fucking half blind and deaf.
Okay.
I want him arrested.
What did he do to you, Jack?
Look at my fucking face. He fucking nodded out and I had to break in the fucking door. I've been fucking down here. Look at I've been cleaning everything, scrubbing the fucking couch. He is a fucking idiot. He'll come down here, I'll start something, and then, God knows, go nod out somewhere. I'm done. I'm not dealing with him. So I'm arrested. Call his fucking mom, because I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not joking.
Imagine calling the cops on your boyfriend for overdosing and waving a gun around, only to end up in handcuffs yourself. This is pure chaos from the second officers walk in. A domestic call that spirals out of control fast. You've got a pregnant girlfriend who's been scrubbing crackhead trash, a doped-out boyfriend upstairs, and one very real gun on the floor. What starts as her begging police to arrest him turns into her screaming, fighting, and getting hauled off to jail. This one is wild. Stick around, because you're not going to believe how fast it flips.
Okay. I lived here for 3 fucking months. I've established residency. I'm not doing this.
Well, first we'd like to just talk to you, and then I'll go look at the gun and the heroin.
No, yeah, please go get it.
We just got to figure out what's going on.
So how did it start? You tell us your stuff.
He's been doing heroin for like 2 weeks. Can I charge my phone? I'll show you the messages. Just call his mom. Call his mom. Call his mom. I mean, I don't want to say another word. Call his mom.
Okay, so we could talk about that after, but what happened today with the physical part? You got punched in the face?
Yeah, I got punched in the face because he came out of his room out of a dope rage. So, I'm done.
What were you guys arguing about? About him being doped out, or?
Yeah, he's been doped out for 8 days. I'm done. I want him out of my life. And I honestly was talking to his mom. I'm trying to help the kid and save him. But he nodded out. Yes, I thought he was dying, and I had to open up the door, and he came out and he snapped. I just now found my phone. It's dead. I'm done. I've been trying to put his house together because he wanted me to come make his house a home. I'm done. So, and I'm pretty for sure he's not supposed to have a gun, so.
He doesn't have a FOID card or anything?
No, no. And I've been cleaning this house. Take a fucking look. I'm done. I was scrubbing the fucking, dude, you guys, do you guys not see all the garbage on the side? And all this shit over here? He had
Like and subscribe my channel, press bell icon for more up-to-date videos.
crackheads here, trash this house. You don't have a license for a gun.
Jessica, can we go back?
My name's not Jessica.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Actually, you know what? You guys, no. I'm not pressing charges. You guys need to leave. I'm not allowing you in the house. So go.
Well, he allowed us in the house, so.
Cool. Oh, okay. Go get him so he can show you his gun because it's right on his. He's gonna shit his pants because he don't think he was so fucked up he don't even know it's there. And the bags are dope. The bags of dope are right next to it. Go get him. One of you guys go get him.
We have an officer with him right now. We're just letting him
No,
finish.
I want him to show you that he's got a fucking gun here. I'm not playing this shit. Absolutely fucking not. This is garbage. Excuse me. I'm gonna finish fucking doing what I'm doing because he's a fucking scumbag.
So you don't want charges anymore, right?
No. He can go to jail for his gun. I don't give a fuck.
Give me a second. Let me talk to him.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
No, it's okay. Just
Is
hold
it
on.
okay if I go up there? Like, I don't want to go up there.
If you can, just wait a minute. They're gonna figure out what's going on with him.
Yeah, yeah, that's a fucking real gun. That's
No,
all.
I believe you 100%. We just got to figure out step one before we can move on to that.
Well, I'm not leaving.
If you've lived here for 3 months, we can't make you leave.
I just paid all the bills. He just spent. I gave him $800 the other day, and you know what? I went through his phone. He went to city and bought heroin. I'm done. I've took it from him several times. I even called his mom. His mom told me to just try to be strong and stick with him because she's already gave up on him. He can go to jail. I don't care.
I mean, you guys got to make a decision on your relationship. How long have you been together?
3 fucking months.
3 months.
Yep. No, 6 months.
Do you mind if I come up with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't mind. No, you're not allowed up here
no,
until
okay. No, I thought,
you.
okay.
Where's my phone so I can take a picture of the shit? Because I get blackmailed on nothing.
Nobody's looking at you for that.
Yeah, well, I hope you guys know what this shit. He's got a knife out and everything. I'm fucking seriously done. Throwing fucking milk.
I mean,
I'm seriously, I'm disgusted. My dad was a fucking heroin addict and died of heroin. I told him that was a fucking deal breaker. This is the shit he does. This is scummy as fuck. Drinking out of a fucking milk carton. This is literally, I'm trying to put this back together, and he's upstairs fucking nodding out. I'm not fucking leaving, and I swear to God, I will fucking kill everyone. everybody if you guys try and arrest me.
We can't make you leave.
Thank you.
That's.
I'm not leaving.
I'm telling you, that's not our goal here. We're just trying to come to a peaceful resolution.
Okay. All right, well, go deal with him then, because I'm going to finish my house.
Well, I have to sit here with you. They're over there talking with them.
I'm fine. I'm just glad that he's not in this house right now.
Is that your mom's house right next door?
No, that's a meth head. He sells drugs to that fat bitch.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that junkie. She's lucky to go over there and knock her teeth out. Can you please stand back by the door?
I can stand right here.
Thank you.
You've been making statements you want to kill him.
Really? I would have blown his head off if I was. Okay? Thank you. The gun's upstairs on the floor. I would have killed him already.
Do you give me permission to go look at the gun?
No, go get him and I'll go out back.
So
go get him so he can show you.
Let's just stop bringing stuff up upstairs if you're too afraid to even show us, because it's obviously not up there.
Go then.
Take me.
Go. No, go ahead. I'm taking you anywhere.
Okay.
It's his. And if he ain't in here, I'm not allowing you to go up there. He owns this house.
What's up? She does this every time, just ignore it.
You motherfucker.
Okay, Jack.
You. Bye then. Bye.
I
Get
have
out.
permission from him to be here.
Okay, great. Cool. Then tell him to come here and show you.
We're still working with him, and obviously this is how we have to work with you.
Okay.
Because you do this every time.
I don't give a I don't know you and I don't give a
We know you.
No, you know my sister, so shut the up.
Okay, yeah. You're so understandable, right?
Yeah, you're a
Okay.
because I've never done this before. Learn your shit, you dumb motherfucker.
Yeah,
You. Get out. Get the out. You can go. I'll talk to
you don't
him.
run the scene, Jack.
You don't either, motherfucker.
Right now I do.
Yeah, no, the you don't.
promise I
No, you don't. Get the out. I will have fun talking to him. Bye.
No.
You want to talk to him? I'll go out the back door.
With him.
Then if you want him to go show you his gun, it's upstairs on the floor.
I'm not asking about the gun anymore.
Okay. What the you want?
I have to wait for the other officer to finish up with him.
Okay.
So we can see how you
what do
two
want?
could get along for the night. Because you're the one you want to leave, right?
No, let's go to the porch. Go, come on, let's
I'll
go.
just go on the porch with you. Let's
Okay,
go.
let's
You
go.
first.
Get the go. I'm going.
You first.
No,
I
motherfucker.
said this
You see
before.
that? I'm not
I'm
closing
happy
the
you
door.
got
Get
it.
the going.
You touch an officer and you go.
I'm going outside.
Yeah,
Move,
go.
motherfucker.
Jackie.
Tell your fucking guy to
talk
move.
to me for a
Oh my fucking god. Get the out.
There we go.
You didn't have to fucking stand in front of me. What do you got, herpes, motherfucker? Get the out of here.
Calm down.
Kingston. No, I don't need you violating my fucking privacy. Get the out. Out. The porch is out there.
No, we are staying right here. This
Cool.
is where I draw the line, okay?
This is where. No.
Do not
I can stand
close
right
the door.
fucking here. I can
Yeah,
stand.
but you are not closing the door on me.
Move. I'm not fucking joking. Until I'm
I am
under
not
arrest.
either. I have been
I'm
patient
not
with you.
detained.
I
I'm
have
not
been
detained.
patient with you.
I've been
Have I
patient
not
with you.
been patient and respectful?
Yes, so move your fucking
No, I will not.
Get the fuck out of the way. I swear to God,
You are going to close the door.
you're almost just like his dopey ass. Yeah, I just did all this shit. Yeah, I'm fucking done cleaning up after a bunch of fucking junkies. Have fun, you're going to jail. I'm not. I don't know what you want, but what? What are we doing here? Because I'm not fucking leaving. You guys ain't going to listen that he's got fucking drugs up there on the floor?
Will you take
he
us?
just overdosed.
Will you
Go!
take us to seize those?
I don't own this house. I can't.
You are a resident.
You know what? Let's see what he fucking says. Huh? If you don't like your job, you should fucking do it.
Oh, I love my job. Get to help out all the nice people in the community like
Yeah,
yourself.
nice fucking people. Yeah, and you got bigger fish to fucking fry. People with fucking guns. Yeah.
Well, we would like to seize the gun and the drugs so we could at least charge them
It's
for that.
upstairs.
We need your permission to go up and get it.
Hey, Joe. They want my permission. Your gun, your knife, and your drugs are upstairs on your floor. Do I give him your? Do I have your permission? No. Get the fuck out. Tell him to get out now. Tell them to get the fuck out then.
Okay.
Tell him to go. He said he told you guys. They're trying to get me to let them upstairs. Get them the fuck out of here.
Okay, so once he already gave us permission, we're here for an investigation. We are not leaving.
Okay.
That's flat
Fine.
out it.
Okay.
You keep saying you want something done with the guns and drugs, but you do not want to let us up there.
Because I'm not gonna have it come down on me.
It's
so
not
no,
going to
thank
come
you.
down on you.
No thanks.
No part of that. You're the reporting person. No part of that.
Yeah, because I'm
brings
fucking pregnant,
to you.
and I fucking am not dealing with his mom. Leave. Go deal with him.
They are dealing with him.
Good. Can I go get a drink?
Yes, you can. I'm coming in with you, though.
I don't give a I paid the bills. I'm not leaving. I don't give a
No,
what she says.
I'm telling you, at this moment, we're not looking at you to get out. I mean, all we can do is strongly suggest one of you guys leave, but you're both residents here, so.
I know. Have him stay the night over there. Do you want clothes, sweetheart, or do you need drugs too? Don't fucking ever try to talk to me
please just ignore her.
Junky ass fat. I want to show you.
I'm not
I love
pressing for it. I know that, I mean, you don't want him to get in trouble. You want him to get his act straight. I
He needs
understand
help.
that.
He needs help. I don't know what to do. I'm sick of waking him up 30 times a day and asking him, are you good? Are you breathing? What? You want to go up there? Because I'm not allowing anybody up there without his permission to come in. I'll go outside. I don't care.
Let's go stay on the front porch again then.
Go get him, because you're not coming in this house. This is his house. So go get him, and you can go up there with him. No?
Well, this time he has marks and whatever, and he wants to press charges
So do I.
for domestic battery.
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay, so this time you're being placed under arrest for domestic
No
battery.
bullshit. You want to go upstairs then?
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
So stand up.
No,
put your hands behind your back.
no. He
Jacqueline,
told
I'm
me
only
I
going to tell you one
established
time.
residency.
Stand up.
No,
Jackie.
you're coming up there. Fucking God. You are not touching. Not touching. Look. No.
Put your hands
What
behind
the
your... You're under arrest.
Ow!
No!
Are you kidding me?
Jackie,
Wow.
hands behind
All
your
right.
back. Put
Okay.
your hands behind your back.
Let me go.
just comply.
That's my dog. That's
Put
my
your
dog.
hands behind your back.
Get the f off.
You're under arrest.
Get off.
Jackie.
I'll be back. I'm going down the f***ing
Stop
stairs.
fucking resisting. Run
What the
away.
f*** are you doing?
Fight with me.
Oh, get the f off of
you
me.
need to stop.
Let go of me.
Jackie, you
You got me f***ed up. Get the f off me.
Stop fighting.
I am pressing charges against you, mother.
Fucking press charges.
Jackie.
Stop fighting. You kicked me in the fucking balls.
You motherfucker. You don't f***ing touch me. You better call the f***ing cops.
Take me.
Let's go, hey! Let's go, come on, let's go! Come on, don't fall!
Yeah.
You're f***ing hurting me!
You're under arrest.
Ow!
Jackie, this could have been so much more.
Call 911!
Stand up.
Call 911!
Sick of your fucking shit.
Let go of me! Let go!
Knock it
Ow!
Jackie, the more you fight, the more harder it is for
Cameras
us.
everywhere in this house, you motherfucker!
Okay, that's great. I'm wearing one.
Let go!
Jackie, keep walking.
Let go of me, motherfucker!
Under arrest. Stop the shit.
Go.
Let's go.
Can I have my water? Get fucking drink!
Hey,
No!
go, buddy.
Get my fucking
Go,
drink!
buddy.
Here. Let go of me like that. You guys are fucking so so Get the fuck off me. You are so you're not getting your kids, motherfucker. You guys are hilarious. Do not pull my arm like that.
Get in the car.
You mother.
Get in the car.
Hold on! You fucking fat. Get my fucking water. Please go get my water.
Get in the truck.
No.
Get
You're
in.
not gonna give me anything to fucking.
Get in the goddamn fucking truck, Jacqueline.
Body cameras under your car.
I will get you a cup of water when we get to the department, okay? Please just don't give me any more trouble.
It's sitting right there, please.
I will get you a water when we get to the department. We're going there right now. It's 5 blocks away.
Wilson, shut the fucking door.
I'm pressing charges.
What we just watched is a textbook example of how quickly a domestic situation can explode, especially when drugs, guns, and raw emotions are involved. Jackie called the police herself, desperate for them to arrest her boyfriend for punching her, overdosing, and having an illegal gun in the house. She was frantic, cleaning up after him, claiming she was trying to make his house a home, and even admitted she gave him $800 for what turned out to be heroin. But here's where it flipped. As soon as officers tried to de-escalate and investigate, Jackie's mood completely shifted. She went from victim to aggressor in minutes, refusing to cooperate, threatening to kill people, insulting officers, and physically fighting them when they placed her under arrest for domestic battery. That resistance led to additional charges: aggravated battery to a police officer and obstructing. In Illinois, the Domestic Violence Act gives officers clear authority to make a warrantless arrest when they have probable cause that a domestic battery just occurred. They don't need to have witnessed it. That's exactly what happened here. Her decision to pull away, resist, and allegedly kick an officer turned a bad situation into multiple felonies. Ultimately, Jackie took a smart plea deal. She pleaded guilty to domestic battery, and the more serious charges were dismissed. The judge sentenced her to 24 months probation, plus mandatory drug addiction treatment, alcohol treatment, and anger management classes. It's a relatively lenient outcome considering the charges, but it still shows real consequences. This case is a perfect reminder of how fast things can escalate when drugs are in the mix. One minute she's begging for help, the next she's screaming at police and getting arrested. It highlights why officers have to stay sharp on domestic calls. They're often unpredictable and emotionally charged. So, what do you think? Was Jackie mostly a victim of her boyfriend's addiction who just lost control? Or does she bear major responsibility for how this ended? Would you have stayed calm in her situation? Or do you understand why she snapped? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns and Bodycam breakdowns. We drop new videos every week. You don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching.